In today's video, we're talking about the health benefits of drinking coconut water and why it may just be the perfect alternative to sports drinks. So let's get into it. Number 1. Coconut water is full to the brim with some amazing antioxidants that can reverse free radical damage. Free radical damage is caused by unstable molecules in our cells. This can cause an array of issues in the body, including chronic illnesses. We build up free radical damage in our body via our environment and our diet. For example, foods containing high fructose corn syrup can cause free radical damage. So a study was conducted on a high fructose corn syrup diet in animal testing where it was treated with coconut water. After the study was conducted, free radical damage had been decreased. Please note that we are still waiting on results from human testing. Next up at number 2, coconut water is great for diabetics. As a diabetic, the most important factor to watch out for is making sure that your blood sugar levels are kept at a regular level. This makes drinking sugary juices and pop hard to do. Luckily, there is an alternative, which you guessed is coconut water. Coconut water has no added sugar, which makes it amazing for diabetics to consume. Another factor is that coconut water contains a trace mineral called magnesium. Magnesium has been shown to increase insulin sensitivity and decrease blood sugar levels as well. We'll talk a little bit more about magnesium later on in the video. Moving on to number 3, if you have issues with your skin, listen up because coconut water may be able to help. Most skin diseases are usually due to a lack of hydration, which causes irritation and dryness. Consuming coconut water is an easy way to fix this because coconut water is extremely hydrating, which promotes circulation. Depending on the type of coconut water you get, some of them have vitamin C added to them as well. Vitamin C helps in the production of a protein called collagen, which is known for helping your skin maintain its elasticity and youthful look. If you want to learn more about foods that contain collagen, check out this video right here. Hey, we're about halfway through the video, so hit that subscribe button, join us on our free Telegram group with a link in the description, and check us out on Instagram and Facebook as well. Number 4. Coconut water can help you to lose weight as well. Along with proper hydration, which we just spoke about, also comes some great weight loss benefits. When we are hydrated, we actually raise our metabolic rate, which then leads to burning more fat. It also has a very low amount of carbohydrates, but still gives us the feeling of being full. What makes coconut water so unique is that if you feel like you need a sugary drink, coconut water can help us to curb this feeling because it's low in sugar and calories. Finally, at number 5, is coconut water the perfect natural sports drink? In today's society, we see advertisements promoting sports drinks claiming to restore hydration after exercise. In reality, most of these drinks are just full of sugar and water. The main purpose of drinking sports drinks after a workout is to restore electrolytes that are used up during exercise. Coconut water can do this without the artificial flavors, food coloring, and added sugars that are found in most sports drinks. Electrolytes have many roles in the body, but one of the main things it does is it maintains fluid balance. They are made up of minerals like sodium, magnesium, and potassium. All of them help to restore electrolytes, especially potassium. You can check out this video right here on how potassium regulates our nervous system if you want to learn more. Thanks for watching to the end, and don't forget to join our free Telegram group. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part, and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.